Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the 99 acres scraper tool help you collect property leads automatically. First, install the real estate scraper tool from Chrome Web Store and add to Chrome extension in your browser. Now open the real estate scraper tool screen. First, I select 99 acres and now open the real estate website like 99 acres and search for what you need rent or buy projects or listings and apply filter like location, budget or property type. Once the result load, copy the once the result load, real estate scraper tool extension screen active and click on start process. The tool will automatically start extracting property data. You can see the tool extracting property data. After stopping the process, the data is downloaded instantly as a CSV file. You can use this file for sales, marketing, CRM, or lead management. That's it, simple, fast, and no manual work. Thanks for watching.